How to withdraw money in Shopify. So let's say you have set up your store and listed all of your products and you have start getting all the orders from your store and now you want to withdraw the money into your bank account. So the first step is you have to make sure to set up a billing or payment method into your Shopify store. In order to do this, tap on the settings or gear icon on the bottom left corner. Then you need to tap on these payments and you need to enter or select the payment method that is suitable for you. So tap on this, choose a provider and you need to select any of these payment method that is suitable for you. Once you have selected any of these payment methods, the next step is, let's say you received a order of the one of your products. So what will happen if it is a dropshipping business? This will directly credit into your credit card or debit card or the payment method that you have selected from the billing section. Also keep in mind that all the taxes, variation of the product and a transaction fee, you have to keep in mind all of these while selecting a payment method. Make sure to go with the payment method that is supported by your country so that less transaction fee apply on your transaction. So that was the process of how you can withdraw money in Shopify store.